Here's a great deal on a 2006 BMW 330. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. BMW prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, a power convertible roof, and seat memory. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as front side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.